So my friends, today we're going to talk a little bit about money. And when I look at my coins, I see that a penny is really easy to know what it is because it's brown. It's the only coin that is. It's made out of copper. And so when I write a penny, I can either say 1 cent or I can say decimal point 0.01, and that's also money. Okay? When I'm talking about cents, I'm always using the cent sign. When I'm talking about cents just alone. When I start adding dollars, then I'm going to use the dollar sign and change over and not use the cent sign. But for right now, I'm going to say 1 cent or 1 cent. Then when I look at my next coin, which is a nickel, I can see that the nickel has another president on it. And if I flip it over, it has this lovely kind of house here on the back. And the nickel is worth 5 cents. So I can either write it like this, 5 cents, or I can write it like this, 5 cents. When I look at the dime, which is next in value, I can tell that the dime is smaller than the nickel, and it's smaller than the penny. And it has these ridges. You can hear them when I put my fingernail across them. Okay, and it has kind of like some torch on the back and some wheat, and then it has a president with very short hair on it, and that will help me know the difference between the nickel and the penny, because this president has a ponytail on him, the nickel does, and this president does not. And so when I write 10 cents, I can either write 10 with the cent sign, or I can write decimal point 10, and I know that that's 10 cents. And my last coin that I'm going to talk about right now is my quarter, and most kids know what a quarter is. I have the quarter, and he has a big kind of curl on him with a braid on the back, and then we have the eagle on the back, and the quarter is worth 25 cents. So I write it either 25 with the cent sign or decimal point 25. And then I know that it's 25 cents. So those are my coin differences. And that's what they look like when I write them down.